SodaStream is the leader of home-based beverage dispensing machines. If you prefer another brand, you may be looking for the best SodaStream syrup alternative for your DrinkMate, KitchenAid, or Aarke to help you craft anything from sodas to energy drinks. You'll likely spend less than you would on store-bought drinks, reduce environmental waste, and consume fewer calories overall. We've researched and discovered the 9 top-rated SodaStream syrup alternatives, as well as the worst one to avoid. And now for the Freshnss.com reviews of the 9 SodaStream syrup alternatives, plus the worst one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, Stur Powdered Drink Mix. Stur Powdered Drink Mix is a great natural alternative to SodaStream. Any user who feels that they need a good heartfelt drink should definitely try out this brand. They come in a variety of flavors: strawberry watermelon, fruit punch, and even pomegranate cranberry. Stur Powdered Drink Mix is the most organic and healthiest choice. Their mixes are gluten and sugar free, contain 0 calories, so even diabetic users can enjoy them. They also contain a high level of vitamin C, which grants them a nice tangy flavor. Stur uses 0 artificial flavoring or sweeteners, and every ingredient is completely organic and natural. If you're tired of synthetic products in the market, Stur drink mixes should be the ultimate choice. And the best part is that they give full refunds, no questions asked. This is truly the best SodaStream syrup alternative. Coming in at number 2, Jelly Belly Liquid Drink Mix. Jelly Belly has a ton of flavor and taste, and they include cherry, tutti frutti, green apple, and even blueberry. Jelly Belly's products are very easy to use. Their drink mix is the best. All you have to do is add as much flavoring as you desire into your choice of water, and you're good to go. The best part about using Jelly Belly Liquid Drink Mix as an alternative is that you can enjoy fruity flavors without any chemical additives. The mixes are made from real fruit, and the taste is in no way artificial. One pack can make up to 96 8-ounce servings. This means that not only your whole family, but even the entire neighborhood can enjoy this drink. One pack can serve a whole party. Jelly Belly even produces and provides a full refund on this product. The only downside is that there's no warranty, although you can get your money back. Coming in at number 3, Crush Liquid Enhancer. Crush Water's enhancers and flavors are very unique. They offer their mixes in 3 tantalizing flavors: grape, strawberry, and orange. To put it into perspective, one 1.6 ounce container can make up to 24 servings and will last you for a very long time. Crush's flavors are perfect for a house party or for a regular family's consumption. The flavors are realistic and natural. For example, if you try the orange flavor, it will feel less like artificial taste and more like actual oranges. This is what we love about Crush. Crush understands that people don't like adding too much poison in their drinks, which is why its mixes have as little as 5 calories per serving. This is the best liquid water enhancer because it's extra considerate of your diet. Looking to learn more about the best SodaStream syrup alternative in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Mile Water Enhancer Fit Variety Pack. The Mile Water Enhancers are a pack that provides 4 flavors, with just one enough to make us rush for a second helping. Mile's flavors are just like any other, except with their own twist. They offer their mixes in Berry Blast, Arctic Grape, Orange, and Lemon Lime. The taste is exceptional and natural, with just a hint of additives and artificial flavoring. Our favorite is the Arctic Grape, which tastes a lot like Gatorade. A single bottle contains about 1.6 ounces. The size is tiny, but it will last a very long time depending on how often you use it. Unlike Jelly Belly or Stur Drink Mix, Mile actually uses artificial sweeteners, mostly sucralose, to maintain its flavor. This makes it ideal for diabetic patients or those who otherwise abstain from natural sugar. Coming in at number 5, Skinny Girl Liquid Water Enhancer. Skinny Girl's Liquid Drink Mix is a great natural alternative to SodaStream syrups. Each bottle can serve up to 24 different people, which makes it suitable for the entire house or even for just one person over a longer period of time. These drink mixes come naturally sweetened, so anyone who doesn't like artificial flavor can get a taste of real tropical fruits. This flavor is white cherry, but Skinny Girl's liquid water enhancer also comes in a variety of flavors, including blueberry and coconut. Each serving contains as little as 5 calories, so you know that you're only letting the bare minimum in your body. This mix is a great choice for athletes and runners, especially women who need the extra energy for their bodies. Coming in at number 6, Dasani Drops Pink Lemonade Water Enhancer. Dasani's Pink Lemonade Water Lemon Mix might sound ridiculous, but it certainly is no joke. We just had to include this in the list because it's the best solution for boring house parties. The flavor enhancers used are entirely natural, save for some completely safe additives used for enhancing the flavor. Overall, the taste is just like a regular lemonade, but of course it tastes 10 times better. The flavor is more natural and does not just taste like vitamin C. This specific pack contains 6 bottles, each with a serving size of 32. One bottle weighing about 1.9 fluid ounces, making it optimal for long-term use. The serving is also very easy and concise. All it takes is 1 drop and your beverage is ready. Coming in at number 7, Sweetleaf Stevia Natural Water Drops. Each bottle of the Sweetleaf holds its own charm and charisma. They come in 6 exciting flavors, including berry mix, tropical punch, lemon lime, kiwi strawberry, peach mango, and raspberry lemonade. Sweetleaf's bottle can each save up to 48 people, which makes it a great choice for party punches and just for regular use. 100% organic and natural, it has 0 carbs, fat, gluten, calories, and artificial sugar and sweeteners. Perfect choice for those who don't trust synthetics. The most authentic part about using the Sweetleaf Stevia Natural Water Drops is that it has some tremendous international acclaim, which makes this product the most authentic and safe to use drink mix. This drink mix and water enhancer use stevia leaf extract as a natural sweetener. They do not use any kind of sucralose or aspartame. Seems like they love to keep everything natural. Coming in at number 8, Lipton Liquid Iced Tea Mix. Of course, SodaStream isn't always about soda, right? Lipton brings you the best liquid iced tea for use with sparkling water and sodas. This iced tea mix is unique and can be used to serve up to 24 people at a time. We love this product as it is so easy to use and mix. We should warn you about the flavor though. Not everyone enjoys iced tea, let alone with added flavors or tastes. This pack of 4 contains 2 summer peaches, 1 lemon, and 1 raspberry flavor for green tea. Lipton's variety pack is free from all types of synthetic products, made from 100% natural tea leaves, contains at least 10 milligrams of caffeine per serving. Coming in at number 9, Kool-Aid Liquid Drink Mix. Kool-Aid Drink Mix is a great choice, although most of their flavors are artificial. This variety pack of 4 contains tropical punch, orange, grape, and cherry. Of these, only tropical punch is made from natural ingredients. All others are artificially flavored, but this can potentially be a good thing for diabetics or those who refrain from natural sugar. Organic or not, these bottles contain absolutely no calories and are perfectly healthy for those who want to stay lean and fit. One bottle can serve 24 people, which means the entire pack can make up to 96 glasses. This is why we consider this a solid choice for people, although some may find the taste to be too artificial. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite SodaStream syrup alternative. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the Freshnss.com SodaStream syrup alternative to avoid. Crystal Light Liquid Variety Drink Mix. If there's one product which makes for the worst SodaStream syrup alternative on the market, it's Crystal Light. Don't get us wrong here. We liked this product at first too, but the taste and flavor was so underwhelming and bland that we just had to get rid of it. For perspective, Crystal Light's drink mix uses sucralose as a sweetener. This is an artificial product and is not for many of us who love organic and natural food. While we were trying out the Crystal Light, we noticed that the product took out a lot of energy from us. We didn't like this, but it does have a few pros. And now for the Freshnss.com final thoughts on buying one of the best SodaStream syrup alternatives. Though it may seem like SodaStream products rule the home-based fizzy drink market, there are tons of options by other reputable brands for both sparkling water makers, soda siphons, and the flavor used to create concoctions from them. They may actually be more effective and give you a more preferred taste profile overall. Looking to learn more about the best SodaStream syrup alternatives in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite SodaStream syrup alternative. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.